Yeah.
Hello again, and thanks for tuning in to Diabetes 180. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Lewis Bertus. I'm a diabetes reversal health coach and physician assistant. Today we have a real treat. We're going to show you how to make my wife's go-to meal when it comes to breaking her fast. And one of my personal favorites, because it's not only good for you, but it tastes good, you know? Great combination. That's baked steel cut oats, chocolate flavored. So we're going to sweeten it up a bit with some cocoa, bananas, and you'll see how easy it is to prepare this meal, and hopefully you can incorporate it into your daily diet. If you haven't watched it, definitely watch the video that I made some time ago on the benefits of steel cut oats. You'll see why this is a great option whether you have diabetes or not, but specifically for those who struggle with blood sugar control with their breakfast or any other meal. This is a great meal that not only is sweet, tastes good, but it's great for your blood sugars. So let's get to it. All right, let's start off with our ingredients. First ingredient, of course, is the steel cut oats. We use about 3 cups of steel cut oats. You don't have to use steel cut oats. You could use other oats, but steel cut oats really are the best for diabetics if you want good blood sugar control. And of course, it does take a little longer to cook, but it works really well for diabetics. Then you got your bananas. 7 ripe bananas for this recipe. Of course, the riper, the better. You really want it sweet, you want ripe bananas. Then we have a tablespoon of vanilla extract. All right, about 1.5 cups of raisins. Really, this is to your liking. If you want more, sprinkle on some more. All right, a teaspoon of nutmeg, about 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You can use carob powder as well for a healthy option, or just leave the cocoa or carob powder altogether out of the recipe. That's something that's optional, of course, but if you just want to treat yourself once in a while like we do, go ahead and treat yourself with some cocoa powder or carob powder. Then about a teaspoon of salt to balance out all the flavors. That's the ingredients. First step, bring water to a boil and then add the steel cut oats. Cover it with a lid and let it sit until the water is absorbed, and it should look like this. Next, add all your ingredients, with the exception of the steel cut oats, to a blender. You want to add enough water just to blend. You don't want too much because you want it thick like this. Now you can throw in the raisins and oatmeal into a bowl and pour in that delicious chocolate. Mix it all up and layer it into a pan. Now for our final step, you want to make sure your oven is preheated at 350. Simply place it in the oven for an hour and wait to eat.